Sunday morning, everybody. I'm back with another video. Thank you for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. Make sure to hit subscribe and the bell button so you always get the notice when there's a new video. I apologize that I skipped last Sunday. I just honestly needed a break. I work a lot of hours during the week, and then I spend half the weekend making these videos. So last weekend was just a chill weekend. It's so important to do that, by the way. Take a break. You don't always need to be stimulated. You don't always need to be working and doing something. Today, I'm actually starting a new series, and this is something that I feel like is missing in a lot of people's lives, okay? One of my greatest addictions is being happy and feeling joyful, and that, is a struggle for a lot of people. And so I wanted to share what I do, one of my most helpful tools that will help you feel more happy and joyful in your life. So I started this process when I was a stay-at-home mom with my third baby, Jackson. And I had never been a stay-at-home mom before, and I also didn't realize that I had postpartum depression, and I just felt like I was in a hole. For a long time, I was in a hole, and it just seemed to get worse and worse and worse. And I'm sure a lot of moms out there can relate to that. So I went on the search for happiness again and joyfulness again, because I knew that it was affecting my family. One thing Joe and I have been doing for a very long time is we do a lot of personal growth and self-development work. And YouTube is actually one of my favorite places to learn on how to improve your life. And one of the things I continue to hear over and over and over and over is that a lot of these people that came from nothing or had a really rough life or just wanted to improve their life and wanted to get on track and make more of their life, the number one thing that I heard from all of them is gratitude. So feeling gratitude morning, night, whenever, that is the key, right? We tend to get preoccupied with what we want and need and what we don't have and what, we strive for. So we don't see everything that we have right now, right? All the little things in our lives that are so amazing, we forget about them. And that is why we don't feel a lot of joy and happiness. So this is what I decided to do. And I'm gonna teach you guys step by step. First of all, this first video is basically about just creating more happiness and joy in your life through gratitude, okay? And then I'm gonna take it a little bit further and show you evidence of how this gratitude, this journaling has actually helped me further my career and achieve goals that I never thought I could achieve. So it's really cool to see what I wrote in my journal like 3 years ago and then how everything progressed in my life. And literally, it's crazy what I wrote actually happened. So today we're starting with the absolute basics. The first thing I did was I went online. You can go to the store, wherever you like to go, and I found a journal that I really liked. So this is my journal. Okay, I knew I wanted a leather journal. The Tree of Life is on here. It feels really good. I can actually replace the lined paper. So I've been using this for like 3-4 years now. It's actually almost time to get a new one, which I'm excited to do, the next step. But the first thing you need to do is find the journal, right? Find something that when you look at it, it's special to you. You want to pick it up and hold it and you want to write in it, okay? It has to feel really good. The second thing I did, for me personally, I love a good pen, right? I don't like writing with the regular, ball pens. Not this kind of writing anyways. So this is a fountain pen I found. Not expensive at all. I didn't go all out. This whole thing might have cost me $30, if even, I don't even remember. But at the time I did not have a lot of money, so I couldn't spend a lot of money, right? So either way, You need a journal that feels really good to you, and you need a pen that you love to write with. And then I literally want you to start by writing 3 things that you're grateful for every single day, right? Whether it's in the morning, first thing in the morning, or whether it's at night before you go to bed. But really sit down and think about even the little tiny things that you're grateful for, all the amazing things in your life that we don't take time or don't have time to actually remember and think about. And writing it down solidifies it a little bit more and it sinks in better. So if you're really having a hard time with happiness and joyfulness, you might want to do it twice a day. In the morning when you wake up, writing down what you're grateful for, it just makes your day so much better, right? You go into the day feeling, good because of the things that you just recognize that you love about your life. Or, and if you do it at night, you'll go to bed with a heart full of gratitude. You'll get better sleep, and in the morning you are going to wake up better. So that is my first tip for creating a happier and more joyful life. And next week I'm going to share with you how to elaborate on this concept and develop a little bit further with your life, your goals, your happiness. Also, how to reprogram some of those evil, crazy thoughts in your brain, okay? Those we all have it. We all say some pretty nasty, mean things to ourselves that we would never say to anyone else. So we need to learn how to reprogram that. So I will be sharing that as well in one of my next videos. I would love it if you would comment below, maybe with some things that you're grateful for, just to get the ball rolling, or a picture of your journal that you chose. I love this topic. It has completely changed my life. I went from depression into I love everything about my life, and I really, really, really want other people to feel the same way, because life is pretty amazing. Even with all this coronavirus and political crap going on, I'm still very happy, and I know it's because I focus on gratitude, what I have, my family, the love in my life. So let me know how it goes. And again, thank you for subscribing and watching. I'll see you guys next week.